go over the recently released modules, the Group Carousel, the Lottie Animation Module, and the Icon List Module. So I'm going to go up here to the Group Carousel Module, and then within the Group Carousel Module, I'm going to include the Lottie Animation. So the Lottie Animation, where any animation file can be uploaded. And by default, there's a Divi logo that is blue and has an animation speed of 1. So we look at the animation here. You can loop the animation, which will be done later in the video. So this is the icon list module, which was also recently released or made available with the latest update to the Divi 5 alpha version. So I'm just going to type in some text here, SEO services. The next one will be website design services, and the last one will be video production. And then I'm going to change the icon for each 3. So each one has a different icon. As you can see, there are a lot of different icons here. I'm not sure where these icons are from. They might be from Font Awesome, which is a common style sheet that is used in a lot of tutorials. So I'm going to look for an icon of maybe a graph or a bar chart or something that looks like it could be used in data analytics. Yeah, there's a lot of icons to choose from. I'm just interested that there's so many different options for icons. Look at those chess pieces. Okay, then for the next one, I have to change the text and the icons. This is going to be website design. So here I'm looking for the Divi logo. Divi 5, as shown in all of our videos about Divi 5, shows great potential to make website design very efficient. Divi 5 has also shown to have great performance, as shown in one of our videos where GT Metrics gave it A's across the board. And the website loading speed is great, especially compared to Divi 4. There's the WordPress logo, which is close enough to the Divi logo, WordPress being one of the most visited websites on the internet. The last one will be video production. And then I'm looking for an icon that will decently represent video production or media. That roll of film. It looks like video film from a camera. Okay, that is the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe.